Hello everyone. The BMW 5 Series is the most successful business sedan in the world. For nearly 50 years, the 5 Series has enjoyed unrivaled global success because it's always been state-of-the-art and led the way. The world is constantly evolving, business is changing, leadership is changing. Today, there is a new generation of leaders and they have different needs and desires. Just think of digitalization and climate protection. Leaders need strong partners in this fast-changing world. This is what the BMW 5 Series is all about. This is the new BMW 5 Series. We've made it even better with a more luxurious interior and leading-edge connectivity, all underpinned by a completely updated front and rear design. Our head of BMW design, Domagoj Dukic, will tell you more about that soon. Looking at drivetrains, more and more of our 5 Series customers want to drive electric, especially in urban areas. That's why the 5 will offer the widest range of plug-in hybrids in the BMW portfolio. Plug-in hybrids deliver a very real and positive contribution to lowering emissions. Initially, there will be 2 plug-in hybrid models available upon launch of the 5, and we will be adding 3 more in November. With the exception of the high-performance model M550i, all combustion engine models will feature mild hybrid technology, leading to CO2 reductions of up to 9 grams per kilometer. And I can tell you, all model variants will meet the Euro 6D emission standard. All of this means more sheer driving pleasure with fewer emissions. Our customers expect nothing less. For many of our customers, the 5 is their business partner when they are on the road. It provides support as a personal mobile office, as well as offering a sphere of privacy. And of course, it features the very latest innovations in driver assistance, vehicle interaction, and connectivity. More on that shortly, but first let's go to the BMW Group Classic, where Domagoj will give you further details on the new and modern design of the 5. Once again, the 5 leads the way. It raises the benchmark in terms of design, efficiency, driving dynamics, and digitalization. It's younger, smarter, and more sustainable. It's truly the next generation business car. And it's set to continue its leadership as the most successful business sedan worldwide. Now, the 5 Series is not the only highlight we have for you today. The 6 Series GT is also new and benefits from most of the innovation we've spoken about.